I'm choosing University of Durham because it's the semi-target university to enter the finance and banking world. My name is Eddie. I'm from Myanmar, and I'm now studying International Foundation year in business. I would say UK is a great city with different kind of nationality. We can see different kind of people, and the education in UK is also really high, really advanced than any other countries. So I choose to study in UK. I have received from two unis. First is University of Durham, and the course is business management, and second is University of Newcastle. The course is accounting and finance. I'm really excited to live in Durham because the real difference between London and Durham is that one is the city base and Durham is more of the countryside base. In my classroom there are Algerian, Nigerian. I get to learn Vietnamese, which is really amazing, and I get to taste their food. The schedule made by NCUK is really good because even though they compress everything into 7 months, we get to learn every single detail we need to know during the coursework. Most of the teachers teach us how to do text citation or the reference list. What we will be doing in the university during the university years with the assignments, if we don't understand, the teacher also will help us a lot. My favorite module, business. I got a lot of support. For example, let's say Harvard referencing guide or reference list, how to do in-text citation. I don't know what it's like in-text citation or reference list back in my home country because we just write according to the essay, for example. In here, we get to do the research. We have to go through a lot of websites and read every single detail to write in the essay. Being in investment banking, I guess, because and of course, everyone loves numbers, but I like to do some analysis on some financial data. That's my career goal.